10 words you must know. Time to test your knowledge.
Comment your answers below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Challenge your friends.
Sustain.
Sustain means support.
Runners need to sustain their energy in order to finish the marathon. Precise.
Precise means exact.
The instructions were clear and precise, so everyone understood what to do. Implement. Implement means execute. The government decided to implement new regulations to reduce pollution. Emerge. Emerge means appear. The sun began to emerge from behind the clouds after the rain stopped. Justify. Justify means explain. He tried to justify his actions by explaining the difficult situation he was in. Substantial. Substantial means significant. The company made a substantial investment in new technology to improve productivity. Modify. Modify means change. The teacher asked me to modify my essay to make it clearer and more concise. Expand. Expand means enlarge. The company plans to expand its operations to several new countries next year. Contribute. Contribute means give. Everyone in the team was asked to contribute ideas for the project. Reliable. Reliable means dependable. She is a reliable employee who always completes her work on time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.